The TrueBrow system is a series of world-class design principles that I brought into the world about 17 years ago. I worked with them day in and day out, really refining them and getting them to a place where now my TrueBrow specialists, the students that actually I get to educate, as do my endorsed TrueBrow educators, really begin to understand hair by hair how to create the world's most beautiful brows. So we can't determine what the brow is going to be like when it comes into our studio or to our spa. Sometimes we have brows that naturally are not very beautiful. Other times we have brows that are really, really full and need to just very delicately be refined. We have to understand that this is a principle-based learning is the only way we're going to be able to accomplish the beauty that TrueBrow specialists around the world have been accomplishing, creating for years now. So the system is a series of world-class design principles, but additionally to that, it really is so much more. It's about the subtleties, it's about the vision, it's about looking at a brow and being taught how to see it with completely fresh new eyes. It's about really the professional elevating themselves from one level of education and knowledge to a completely different level. I mean, we actually see that a fair bit now in the skin industry, where we have girls that go out and want to specialize in skin, so they go and do dermal skin therapy courses and even diplomas in skin. And it's the same thing. If you want to actually specialize in something and become a specialist, you want to work with the world's most extraordinary system, and you want to be trained by the founder and by her endorsed educators, because in that way you're going to get the absolute true outcome that you really want for yourself and for your clients.